Hello everybody, today we'll be baking with David. We're going to be baking brownies. The ingredients right there are going to be the pan to put the brownie mix in, the ingredients, water, oil, egg, brownie mix. Okay, now we're back after we made the mix of brownies. Look at that, nice and stirred up. This would be considered a homogeneous mixture because it all blends in all into one thing and it's not broken into different parts, especially because it doesn't have chocolate chips in it, so it's all mixed in. It's just a batter, or just a chocolate powder and not little chocolate chip pieces. Now let's pour it into the pan and see what pops out. Now we have the mixture all in the pan. We put paper on the bottom so it wouldn't stick to the pan, so it's easier to come out. Okay, now we're gonna put it into the oven. So while it's in the oven, it is going to have an endothermic reaction due to the heat coming from the oven into the brownies. The heat is coming from the oven and going into the brownies, and then it's going to have a reaction which is going to make the brownies rise due to the powder it has in it. Okay, so we're back here. If you could come over here and show the brownies. Look, they just came out of the oven. They're pretty hot. Okay, so let me take you through the science of it all. It shows the endothermic reaction because the reactants would be all the ingredients put together and then put into the oven, and then with the oven it's absorbing the energy given off by the oven, which therefore you get this type of product. Hopefully it's good. I'm not sure. I poked it with the stick. It came out pretty clean. Hopefully they're not too gooey. The equation showing the baking powder, which is in the, I'm guessing, the brownie mix, and this is the equation, and it is releasing off CO2, or with the mixture it is releasing CO2, which makes the bread rise, basically, or brownie mix rise. When we originally mixed it, it broke off the bonds broke the amino acid bonds in the egg, which are the protein in the egg, and it broke it off, and then it was able to mix in with the brownie powder, and then threw it in the oven and had an endothermic reaction, therefore giving us these beautiful brownies. And then before they were put into the oven, they had a homogeneous mixture, put them into the oven, had an endothermic reaction which absorbed all the heat. And that is all. Thank you.